If you are in the event industry, life is, well, interesting. The world has changed. Customers are demanding more for less, and competition is greater than ever. What's more is the labor market is getting tighter, and it's becoming more difficult to find skilled crew. Unfortunately, your internal workflows simply aren't helping you. Rather, they are preventing your business from rising above the rest. Using Excel spreadsheets, whiteboards, and making numerous phone calls and emails to schedule crew is causing companies to get left behind. These manual processes are extremely hard to track, create serious compliance concerns, and frustrate your crew. They also make it difficult for teams to communicate, and they lack real-time visibility into event statuses and costs. Essentially, they drain away a ton of your time, money, and sanity. It's time to upgrade your tools and get ahead to attract the best techs. And it's time to put a spotlight on your number one asset, your crew, and begin utilizing your skilled labor more effectively. Today, it's all about automating your entire workflow, building a deep bench of qualified talent, and simplifying everything for everyone. Now, some event companies have made the mistake of turning their business into a commodity by focusing too much on their gear and too little on what makes their company different, their crew. It's time to shift your focus to these mission-critical people. And that is why we built Lasso, the number one event workflow management platform. Lasso gives you the software, services, and support to manage your crew the right way, all in one place. Request a demo to learn how Lasso modernizes the way you manage your live event crew.